Have you ever felt a pain that just wouldn't go away? That dull, endless headache? The pressure in your chest, the tight knot in your stomach, or the sudden wave of panic that hits for no reason? You've tried everything, doctors, pills, treatments, and still the pain returns. But what if I told you, the real cause isn't in your head, your heart, or your stomach? It's hidden inside a single nerve that runs through your entire body. Today, I'll show you how to calm that nerve in just 1 minute, and how this simple act could change your health forever. For years, millions of people around the world suffer from chronic headaches, stomach pain, joint stiffness, irregular heartbeat, or anxiety attacks. They move from one specialist to another, collecting diagnoses instead of solutions. According to Professor Viktor Vladimirovich Kartavenko, doctor of medical sciences and expert in rehabilitation medicine, the problem lies in one vital system, and one single nerve that controls it all. That nerve is the vagus nerve. Running from your brainstem through your neck, chest, and abdomen, it connects your brain to nearly every organ. It regulates breathing, heart rhythm, digestion, and even emotional balance. When it weakens or becomes overstrained, your body loses harmony. The result: recurring pain, fatigue, and inner tension. Western medicine often treats these symptoms separately: stomach, heart, anxiety, but rarely focuses on the real origin, a disturbed vagus nerve. Long before modern science discovered it, traditional Chinese medicine understood this link. Eastern healers studied the body's energy flow and realized that when certain channels were blocked, illness appeared. Through pressure point techniques, controlled breathing, and energy balancing, they were, unknowingly, stimulating the vagus nerve and restoring health. For centuries, people in those cultures lived without chronic headaches, weather sensitivity, or nerve-related pain. Ancient wisdom had found what modern neuroscience now confirms: balance the vagus nerve, and the body heals itself. Professor Victor reveals a simple yet powerful technique to activate this healing nerve anywhere, anytime. First, slightly bend your elbow. Then, from the end of the elbow crease, move 2 finger widths backward along your forearm. You'll feel a small tender spot, called the banner point or banner holder point. With your other hand, press gently and massage clockwise for 40 seconds while keeping your arm extended. This gentle stimulation sends calming signals through the vagus nerve network, helping relieve breathing difficulties, sore throat, ear pain, and numbness in the arms or shoulders. There's a point on each arm. If you're right-handed, start with the right arm for 40 seconds, then switch to the left. If you're left-handed, start with the left arm, then move to the right. In less than 1 minute, you may feel your breathing slow, your heartbeat steady, and your body relax. That is your vagus nerve rebalancing your entire system. Stimulating the vagus nerve activates the rest and digest mode, the natural counterbalance to the body's stress response, or fight or flight. Even simple habits, deep breathing, meditation, or cold water exposure, work through the same biological pathway. Professor Victor emphasizes this is just the beginning. In his upcoming webinar, he will reveal deeper methods to optimize the vagus nerve using breathing rhythms, targeted self-massage, and his special system of oxygen-free exercises designed to rejuvenate the nervous system and deliver lasting relief. Until then, he encourages everyone to practice this 1-minute technique daily. Observe how your body changes, and share your experience in the comments. His team will personally respond to your questions. Whenever pain, anxiety, or tension takes over, pause, take a deep breath, find your banner point, and remember, sometimes healing doesn't start in a hospital, it begins with your own touch. If this video helped you even a little, don't stop here. Practice this 1-minute exercise every day, and let your body show you what true recovery feels like. Subscribe to Dragon Life Health Channel for more science-based wellness methods that unite ancient wisdom with modern medicine. Share this video to help others rediscover their body's natural healing power, because the greatest doctor you'll ever meet lives inside you, and your healing begins with a single breath.